amazing birds and animals world. Animals, their babies' sound and home. Bird. Bird babies are chicks, they are nestling, their home is nest, their sound is chirp chirp. Lion. Lion is an animal, lion babies are cub, their home is den, lion sound is roar. Duck. Duck is a bird, ducks babies are ducklings, they swim in water, their home is nest, their sound is quack quack. Cat. Cat is an animal, cat babies are kittens, its home is basket, cat sound is meow meow. Dog. Dog is an animal, dog babies are puppies, dog live in kennel, dog barks bow wow bow wow. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.